are a lifestyle vlogger, or you are a travel vlogger, or you are just an aspiring travel or lifestyle influencer, this video is for you. So this morning we are going to be looking at 10 excellent ways to make money, to make extra income through vlogging or travel influencing. These ideas are tailored to suit the lifestyle of a traveler or an influencer. Without much waste of our time, let's dive straight in. So the first business idea we want to look at is travel affiliate marketing. Now you can make a lot of money through travel affiliate marketing. How to start? Here is your simple step-by-step guide. The first thing you want to do is to create your simple website using sites like WordPress or Weebly or even Wix. Now create your website, start a blog, start writing engaging content, and you can monetize your blog post through travel affiliate marketing. So you can consider companies like CJ Affiliate, because under CJ Affiliate you tend to find a lot of travel companies whom you can sign up under. The second business idea we want to look at is selling travel itineraries. Yes, the first thing to do is to choose a niche, create a unique travel itinerary using apps like Canva or even Adobe Express. Now create those travel itinerary and sell them on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Now remember, it is free to start selling on Etsy. The next business idea we want to look at is selling stock photography or selling videos. You can capture unique and beautiful pictures while you trot the world. You can sell your pictures on places like Shutterstock or even Adobe Stock Photos. Moving on to the next item on our list, offer virtual tours or travel experience. Now you can use platforms like Airbnb experiences. Use your own website. Host virtual tours or cultural workshops. I am currently working on this and I am about to launch my own first cultural workshop here in Scotland. You can also promote your offerings on social media. It is not enough to just start affiliate marketing. You need to start promoting on your social media pages massively. You can also start a travel merchandise store and design things like travel themed mugs, t-shirts, posters, writing pads, or even diaries. You can use print on demand platforms like Printful or Printify and even Canva. Now you can market through your vlog or social media channels by creating engaging content that are catchy and would attract your prospective customers. You have become an OG lifestyle vlogger. Now you can create and sell your own courses. Create courses like how to start a travel vlog. You can sell them on platforms like Gumroad. You can also sell them on platforms like Udemy. Now let's consider luxury travel consulting. Build expertise in a specific luxury niche, offer personalized trip planning services, and also partner with travel agencies or boutique hotels. Now some of your favorite influencers are doing this, living their best lives and cashing out. So let's consider collaboration and sponsored content. How do one go about this? The first thing you want to do is to reach out to travel agencies, reach out to brands, reach out to hotels, and pitch your ideas to them. Now you can pitch authentic content ideas that aligns with their values. Now here is the trick. Share your metrics to showcase your audience engagement. Let's look at subscription-based content. You can use platforms like Patreon to start this business. Now you might be doing this already, but you can include live Q&A sessions. You can even offer giveaways during your live sessions to improve audience engagement. Remember, in affiliate marketing, it's all about the crowd, it's all about the numbers, but you want a number or a crowd that is engaging. You should also engage with your subscribers to build that relationship with them. It is not enough to leave a heart on their comments, so try to engage as much as you can. Now let's consider the best affiliate marketing companies by region for lifestyle and travel influencers or vloggers. If you are in the United States of America, you want to consider Booking.com. Booking.com affiliate program is ideal for hotel bookings. You should also consider Amazon Associate. This way you can affiliate market traveling gears. Remember, your audience are loyal to you to an extent, so they are going to be buying stuff you give them honest reviews on. This way you can build more trust and also make money at the same time. Now, if you are in the United Kingdom, we have the lastminute.com affiliate. This affiliate marketing company deals with holiday deals and bundles. Also want to consider Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate. Now with Amazon affiliate, you're also able to sell or to advertise travel gears to people. Also in the United Kingdom, you want to look at Skyscanner. Skyscanner is perfect for flights and travel insurance. So you don't like all the stress that comes with travel insurance and stuff like that, consider Skyscanner. Now if you're in Africa, you want to consider Jumia. Jumia focuses on African destinations and accommodations. Now you want to consider Travelstart. Travelstart is one of the leading ones for flights and other traveling services. Now if you are in Asia, you can consider Klook. Now Klook is great for tours, activities, adventures, and experience. So if you're in Asia, you want to check out Klook today. We also have the Agoda affiliate. Agoda affiliate focuses on Asian hotel building. If you are in Australia, you want to consider Trip.com affiliates. They specialize in flights and hotels in Oceania and beyond. Now, if you're in Australia, you also want to consider Travel Escape. Now, this is for luxury travel package. So remember earlier we spoke about niches and we said you can create luxury travel experiences. So if you are in Asia, this is one to look out for. I mean the luxury escape. Now moving on to the beautiful continent of Europe. The first one we want to consider is Get Your Guide. Get Your Guide promotes unique activities and local tours. There is also Uriel affiliate. Now, if you're an enthusiast for train travel or you know people who are, this is a fertile land for you. Consider Uriel affiliate today and start making money. Now we are in section 3. Let's look at how to market. Let's look at how to reach a wider audience, and let's also look at how to actually make money from your affiliate marketing efforts. Leverage social media. You can consider things like Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram for creating those engaging and beautiful reels so that your prospective clients can see this and it will lead them straight back to you. Travel reels and visually appealing posts. These are your watchwords. Now you can also collaborate with influencers in complementary niches. The influencers don't have to be specifically from your niche, but if it is a bit complementary, why not collaborate with these influencers so they can help you cross promote? Next step is to optimize your SEO. You want to use keywords in your title, in your tags, and in your photo descriptions. So if you have started your blog already, remember to name all your files. If not, Google is not going to be showing it up in searches. Remember to add detailed captions and also add text to your pictures. Now, another way to reach a wider audience or to keep building your brand on social media is to run games or even giveaway or contest. So you can set the prizes as simple traveling gear or even your own course on how to start travel vlogging or travel influencing or travel affiliate marketing. Now encourage followers to share your content for a chance to win. Now you can build your email list. But how do you build your email list? You can build your email list simply by having something to offer. For instance, you can offer free travel checklists to your followers or to your subscribers. And this way you begin to build trust and a relationship with them. Before you know it, your email list will be growing. You want to send regular letters. You want to send the most current affiliate links to your audience and to your followers. Finally, create a consistent brand. Now design your unique logo, unique tagline, and unique aesthetic. Remember to use similar color themes across the social media platforms to keep building trust amongst your audience and your followers. Travel and lifestyle vlogging in 2025 is full of loads of opportunities. From affiliate marketing to selling your own product, the key is to stay true to yourself and to remain authentic. Remember to create valuable content and continue to connect with your audience. Which of these business ideas are you going to try? Please let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's win together. Please turn on your notifications and see you at the top. Until next time, I remain blessed. Amen. And thank you so much for watching today.